Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to load a packing tape dispenser. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is an example of a packing tape dispenser, okay? They can look slightly different, but for the most part, they're all gonna be very, very similar. They're gonna have an end where the tape gets pressed onto. They're gonna have a cutting edge that you can see right there to cut the tape. It's a piece that holds the tape down in place like that, so it holds the tape in place. And then a roller right here that's used to spin the roll of packing tape. You're also gonna need some packing tape itself. Now, it comes in a few different widths, but for the most part, this is a standard roll of packing tape that you're gonna find. Now, you'll need to know that on the packing tape, you're gonna have two sides. You're gonna have the non-sticky side, and then you're obviously gonna have the sticky side, okay? The sticky side right there. So in order to load the packing tape dispenser, you have to think about how the tape will go. So essentially the tape is gonna go like this, okay? And it's gonna come through here, and it's gonna go like this. And essentially, the actual sticky part needs to be facing out, okay? You need to be touching the sticky part like this, basically, because that's the part that's gonna go on the box. When you use the packing tape dispenser like this, right, the sticky part is gonna be touching outwards. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tape, we're gonna imagine it going through, and the sticky part is gonna end up like that on the outside. So right now, the sticky part is facing down when you're looking at this right here, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and you're gonna put the tape, just slide it onto the roller over here, okay? Just like that. You're gonna have to waste a little bit of tape most likely, so don't worry if some gets stuck to the, to the dispenser. So I slid it onto the roller. It's on the roller. You wanna make sure your roller is nice and able to move freely as well. So as you can see, I can move this freely, which is good. Then you're gonna take your packing tape. Okay, I'm pulling it through. The sticky side is once again facing down. That's sticky right there that I'm touching. Okay, and you're gonna go and you're gonna bring it up like that. Okay, so once again, I brought it up like that. And try and line it up in the center, okay, of that roller right here. So it's lined up in the center. Take your lever that should have been down now, because you can hold it down temporarily, but most likely you can flip it down and flip it up like that. It's gonna keep the tape nice and centered. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna rip off the excess using the cutting blade. So I just like to sort of rip it off like this. There you go. The cutting blade is right there, and I just ripped off the excess. Right now the packing tape is loaded and it's ready to be used, okay? So just as you can see right here, I'll give you an example. Let me flip the camera screen out so I can see exactly what you all see. I'm gonna use my hand here, and actually, you know what, instead of my hand, I'll probably just use the countertop. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the tape on the countertop. As you can see right there, it's working. And then off the countertop, I'm just gonna snap it off like that. So as you can see, the packing tape is here, it's good to go. A little bit of it came a little bit loose there. But yeah, it just because it turned around, I'm just gonna straighten it out. There we go. So that's basically it. That is essentially how to load a packing tape dispenser. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.